Welcome Transformer fans, I'm Optimus Wilbur and you can buy my t-shirts! Hey everyone, Will here and welcome back to Optimus Wilbur Reviews right here on YouTube. And today I thought we'd go back to the original classics, but the commemorative editions that Toys R Us were putting out in the late 2000s. And of course we are looking at SoundWave, exclusive to Toys R Us here in the UK. And I love them. This is one of the ones that it was on my list, like Blaster and various other ones that were from the G1 period. I wanted to get my hands on, but at the time when I was growing up I couldn't get them. But now I've got them. I've had them for well over 10 years. And he's just one of my favourites to display. The box is just fantastic, and it shows a great display of the Transformer and even some of the things it's got here. But of course that's not why he's here. You want to see him out the box. What is he like transformed, and overall impressions. So let's get him transformed and see what he's like. So like I said, with the box, open up and you can see SoundWave is nicely displayed with Ravage and Laserbeak, a few of his weapons and cassette holdings. In cassette mode, he's just fantastic. I love how everything just works the way it's meant to work. And taking out some of the accessories like his laser cannons, just open up into the back, and for storage, see if you've got him out and he's transformed like this, like they act as batteries. And that to me just symbolises this figure and how versatile it is. Taking out Ravage and Laserbeak, we'll get one of them transformed because we know they both transform in the cassettes. They'd like to stay up, but Laserbeak would probably be the easiest to do. So with Laserbeak, we're just going to take off his guns, move his feet around, bring in his wings, and moving in his head. You can get everything lined up. And there we go. That's one cassette ready. Cut with SoundWave, pop them open, and just put that cassette right in. And there you go. That's basically it. That's SoundWave's gimmick. Of course, you've got the cassette holders like you get with Blaster. And if we take Laserbeak back out, he can sit nice in there just as the display. He is a fascinating character, and that's the reason I always love SoundWave. There's just something about him that this cassette recorder just is like a really menacing transformer. Let's put SoundWave back in for the transformation. Let's get those battery packs back out. And transformation is very similar to Blaster, and it's really straightforward. Bring up his head, twist it round. These are the legs, just bring them down. Twist round, so they're like that. Come to the bottom, twist the feet out. Make them stand. Come around here, just bring the arms round. You can bring them out like that. Push down the hands. Grab one of the batteries and put it in because he had this mounted cannon next to his head. And if we grab one of these parts that comes in the box, we can then just put it in his main gun, and that can obviously just fly out. But get him to hold it. And there we have SoundWave, everyone. A really easy transformer to transform, but it's the memories that last with it. Like I said, I always wanted to get hold of them. I've got a few SoundWaves. Was it the War for Cybertron, Fall for Cybertron? I've got him. I'd really love the Masterpiece version. Got a lot of the movie ones and Transformers Prime. And I think I've got the Cybertron one as well, but this was always my favourite to have this G1 version, and I think he's still fantastic after all these years. The way he transforms, the way he looks, it is a joy to have. And having them in that Toys R Us exclusive box just makes it even more special to add to the collection and keep it treasured, as always, in the Transformers room. Thank you everyone for tuning into the video today. Remember, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and that notification bell so you know that a new Optimus Wilbur review goes live. Also, be sure to check me out on Facebook, Optimus Wilbur Reviews, Twitter, Rodimus8, and Twitch at Optimus Wilbur 85. Just hit that in the search engine at the top. Also, if you wish to become a Patreon or buy from the merch store, look in the description box below. Lastly, I'd like to thank the Cybertronic Spree for allowing me to use their music. Cybertronic Warrior is the theme for the channel. Please check them out on YouTube, Twitter and Facebook and give them the support they deserve. This band is fantastic and do amazing covers, so please send your support to them. And remember, Transformer fans, till all are one.